Hello friends, welcome to my channel HYYL English Literature. Today we are going to study Anthony Burgess through MCQs. So let's start. Our first question is, in which year was Anthony Burgess born? Options are, our first question is, in which year was Anthony Burgess born? 19, the options are 1914, 1917, 1920, 1922. So the correct answer is option B 1917. Our next question is, in which year Anthony Burgess died? The options are 1993, 1976, 1984, 1996. So the correct answer is 1993, option A. Our next question is, what was the full name of Anthony Burgess? The options are Henry Anthony Burgess, Anthony Burgess, John Anthony Burgess, J. Anthony Burgess. So the correct option is option C, John Anthony Burgess. Our next question is, Anthony Burgess belonged to which country? The options are France, Sweden, Norway, England. So the correct option is option D, England. Our next question is, what pen name did Anthony Burgess use? The options are Robert Sway, Joseph Kell, Anthony B, John Anthony. So he used the pen name Joseph Kell. So option B is correct. Our next question is, his famous work, A Clockwork Orange is a. Now you have to say the famous work, A Clockwork Orange, is whether it is an utopian work or dystopian work, or it includes both the elements of utopian and dystopian, or none of the above. So let's see what's the answer. So it is a dystopian work. Our next question is, which writer wrote I Shall Die Somewhere in the Mediterranean Lands with an inaccurate obituary in the nice matin unmourned, soon forgotten? So the options are Ellen Silito, Margaret Drabble, Anthony Burgess, Julian Barnes. The correct answer is Anthony Burgess. Our next question is, what does the tombstone of Anthony Burgess reads? So it should be TOMB, tombstone. So what does the tombstone of Anthony Burgess reads? The options are life after death, Abba Abba, or it may be ABBA ABBA. Rest in peace, pure soul. So the correct answer is Abba Abba, it means father. Our next question is, he wrote a famous trilogy. Name the trilogy. Anthony Burgess wrote a famous trilogy. What's the name of the trilogy? The options are Malayan trilogy, the Jazz trilogy, the Night trilogy, Little Omen trilogy. So the correct answer is Malayan trilogy. Our next question is, which one of the following work is not among his Malayan trilogy? The options are Time for a Tiger, The Enemy in a Blanket, Nothing Like the Sun, Bats in the East. So the correct answer is Nothing Like the Sun. Our next question is, name the first published fiction of Burgess. The options are Nothing Like the Sun, Earthly Powers, A Clockwork Orange, The Long Day. So the correct answer is The Long Day. Our next question is, one of Burgess' novel was inspired by an incident during the Second World War, in which his wife Line was robbed, assaulted, and violated by deserters from the US Army in London during blackout. It contributes to her subsequent miscarriage. Name the novel. The options are Nothing Like the Sun, Earthly Powers, A Clockwork Orange, The Long Day. So the correct answer is A Clockwork Orange. Our next question is, in which year was A Clockwork Orange published? This famous novel, you have to say in which year it was published. The options are 1958, 1960, 1962, 1964. So the correct answer is 1962. Our next question is, what is the name of the antagonist of A Clockwork Orange? The options are Andrews, Alex, Angel, Almus. So the correct answer is Alex. Our next question is, one of his novels is a fictional recreation of Shakespeare's love life. Name the novel. So the options are Nothing Like the Sun, Earthly Powers, A Clockwork Orange, The Long Day. So the correct answer is Nothing Like the Sun. Our next question is, Victor Crable is the protagonist of which novel? So in which novel you have Victor Crable as the protagonist? The options are Time for a Tiger, The Enemy in a Blanket, Nothing Like the Sun, Beds in the East. So the correct answer is Time for a Tiger. Our next question is, the title of the novel Beds in the East is taken from which work? So Beds in the East, the novel, its title has been taken from which work? So the options are Hamlet, Macbeth, Julius Caesar, Antony and Cleopatra. So the correct answer is Antony and Cleopatra. Our next question is, in which novel of Burgess' 81-year-old hero Kenneth Toomey tells the story of his life in 82 chapters? He is a very old person. His age is 81-year-old. So the options are Nothing Like the Sun, Earthly Powers, A Clockwork Orange, The Long Day. The answer is Earthly Powers. Our next question is, which novel starts with the sentence, "It was the afternoon of my 81st birthday and I was in bed with my catamite when Ellie announced that the Archbishop had come to see me." The novel starts with these lines. So the options are Nothing Like the Sun, Earthly Powers, A Clockwork Orange, The Long Day. So the correct answer is Earthly Powers. Our next question is, the protagonist Alex in A Clockwork Orange is an anti-hero living in near future, dystopian England. What is his age in the novel? So already in our previous question, we had a question that who is the antagonist of the work A Clockwork Orange. Now, here the question is, what was his age? What is his age in the novel? So the options are 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, 25 years. So the correct answer is 15 years. Our next question is, what does Alex refers himself as in the novel A Clockwork Orange? So what does he refers to himself? The options are your devil narrator, your caring narrator, your humble narrator, your deceptive narrator. So the correct answer is your humble narrator. Our next question is, in the novel A Clockwork Orange, Alex refers to himself also as. In the same novel, Clockwork Orange, what does Alex again refers to himself as? So he also refers to himself as, the options are Alexander the Large, Alexander the Great, Alexander the Little, Alexander the Small. So the correct answer is Alexander the Large. Our next question is, who was the author in the novel A Clockwork Orange, who was in the process of writing his magnum opus, A Clockwork Orange? So the options are T. Alexander, F. Alexander, R. Alexander, S. Alexander. So the correct answer is F. Alexander. Our next question is, what is the subtitle of his novel Napoleon Symphony? So the options are a novel in 2 movements, a novel in 3 movements, a novel in 4 movements, a novel in 5 movements. The correct answer is a novel in 4 movements. So the subtitle of his novel Napoleon Symphony, its subtitle is a novel in 4 movements. Our next question is, which out of the following is not a novel by Anthony Burgess? The options are Abba Abba, 1984, 1985, Bird's Roman Omen. So the correct answer is 1984. Our next question is, which among the following is a literary criticism by Anthony Burgess? The options are Tremor of Intent, M/F, Here Comes Everybody, An Introduction to James Joyce for the Ordinary Reader, and the fourth option is The Kingdom of the Wicked. So the correct answer is Here Comes Everybody, An Introduction to James Joyce for the Ordinary Reader. It was published in the year 1965. Our next question is, which among the following are autobiographies of Anthony Burgess? The options are Little Wilson and Big God. Second option is You Have Had Your Time. Third option is both A and B. And fourth option is only B. So the correct answer is option C, both A and B. That means his biographies are Little Wilson and Big God, and also You Have Had Your Time. So our next question is, which are the novels Burgess wrote as Joseph Kell? The options are One Hand Clapping, Inside Mr. Enderby, both A and B, and or the fourth option only B. So the answer is both A and B. That means One Hand Clapping and Inside Mr. Enderby. Our next question is, one of the novels of Burgess appeared on the shortlist for the Booker Prize in the year of its publication, but lost out to William Golding's Rites of Passage. Name the novel. So one of the novel, it stood in competition with William Golding's Rites of Passage, but lost. And so the options are Nothing Like the Sun, Earthly Powers, A Clockwork Orange, The Long Day. So the correct answer is Earthly Powers. Our next question is, which one among the following have been called Burgess' exotic works? The others being Time for a Tiger, The Enemy in the Blanket, and Beds in the East. You have to name the fourth on the list given below. So the options are Nothing Like the Sun, Earthly Powers, Devil of a State, The Long Day. So the correct answer is Devil of a State.